पर क्या जो हमारे दुश्मन हैं या एनिमी है ड्यूरिंग एनी वॉर, इट कुड बी एनीवन, नॉट जस्ट पाकिस्तान वी आर टॉकिंग हियर, बट इट कुड बी एनी अदर कंट्री एज वेल, हम उनके बारे में कितना जान पाते हैं कि भाई उनके क्या क्या इंटेलिजेंस सिस्टम्स हैं, या उसकी रेडीनेस कैसे लेते हैं, कैसे करते हैं उसकी, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है वो भी इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेन यू आर एट वॉर।
See, this is a very complex practice.
हम्म।
It starts from the acquisition cycle जब शुरू होता है.
हम्म।
You have your defense attaches sitting in various countries.
हाँ।
Okay, they keep a tab as to your enemy country is buying some equipment. What is the capability?
अच्छा।
What is the how many numbers?
हम्म।
These inputs have been provided by defense attaches.
हम्म।
Apart from that, we have got other intelligence agencies, those who keep gathering the information and keep feeding into a common pool.
हम्म।
From common pool, the
ये इन्फॉर्मेशन आती रहती है हमारे
informations
पास।
have been analyzed
हम्म।
because everybody is giving a raw information. Now, from raw information comes out the intelligence.
हम्म।
This intelligence has been shared with the concerned agencies.
हम्म।
Now, based on that, is your entire war plan has been made as to कौन सी चीज कहाँ है और उसको मैं फिर should the war break out, what all things to be neutralized in the first go, second go, third go.
पूरी क्रोनोलॉजी वैसे डिसाइड होती
Yes,
है।
yes. And by the way, this job has also now been done knowing our capability, knowing enemy's
कैपेबिलिटी।
capability. AI now decides, can decide as to what should be your weapon load, which target should be hit first, which one in the second wave, which one in the third wave, and when should we go back to the same target? Let's say target was airfield. Should we go back to hit it again to see that it doesn't come online? So, I mean, AI has got
लॉट।
lot of utilization.
मुझे लगता है एआई के पास बहुत काम है आगे करने के लिए बिकॉज हमारे पास बहुत सारे यूज केसेस है एआई को देने के लिए। तो भाई अब इतना होशियार और समझदार हो गए तो ये भी कर लो।
Absolutely.